Hey everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today we are working on week 47 of Marguerite Miller's collage assignments. We need bells, and the closest thing I could get to bells was these little jingle bells on this Christmas card. Something imaginary is this Pegasus constellation, and my dictionary page is the page that has Pegasus on it. And unfortunately, the word Pegasus was on the opposite page as the definition of Pegasus. So I put the word Pegasus on the horse, and up here is the actually, it was on the same page, but it was at the bottom over here. Anyway, that doesn't really matter. But here's the definition of Pegasus. Here's my bells, my dictionary page, leaves. I'm going to skip something that turns or spins and use a date instead. And for the date, I'm just going to stamp the date right at the top and hope that it comes out good. Yeah, there we go. There's my date. So now we just need to glue things down. So I'm going to get a gluing paper, and I'm going to use my Dollar Tree Aleene's glue stick. Seems to be working pretty good for me. And I'm going to glue down the Pegasus first. And how is your November going so far? As you can see, it's November 18th while I'm filming. And, oh, I forgot. I need to glue the whole background down. Didn't do that yet. Let's go ahead and just do this first. I think I'll just go ahead and put that like I had it. And are you getting ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas? My daughter's already set up her Christmas tree and her manger scene and everything already. I'm a little too early for me to do that, though. I like to wait until at least the day after Thanksgiving, but sometimes, actually, lately, the last few years, I have been getting kind of tired of having the Christmas tree up from Thanksgiving until after Christmas. We usually take it down on New Year's, the day after New Year's. And I'm going to put it up a little later this year so I don't get sick of it before, before New Year's Eve. It's always a bittersweet time for me to take down all the Christmas decorations. Oh. Okay, so where were we before we were so rudely interrupted? I did glue my page down, so now I just have to put my leaves, and I think that's it. So I got my autumn leaves here. Nobody ever calls me until I'm making a video. Usually I panic when my phone rings because everybody that I know just texts me, and it's only some kind of emergency situation when somebody calls me. So, well, not. I'm always worried that it's an emergency about Bethany. My kids do call me occasionally, but mostly they do just text. Unless I don't see their text, and then after a while they'll call me. And then they're wondering if it's an emergency that I didn't answer their text. So I'll put this here, or like that. No, like that. And we have everything we need now. We've got our bells, which are the little jingle bells on that card. We've got the something imaginary is the Pegasus. The dictionary page is the background. The leaves are here. We skipped something that turns or spins in favor of a date, which I just stamped up at the top of the page. I can't believe we're almost done with 2005's Marguerite Miller collage assignments. How many more do we have left? 5? Only 5. 5 weeks left. Well, that'll be that. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.